What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick video on something I get asked about a lot, something I hear people talk about a lot is what is the best way to clean glass? What is the best technique, the best product? So today I'm going to do a quick video going over that so you guys can see the way that I use my preferred method, what I believe is the best way to clean glass. So let's get right into it. Alright, so quick disclosure, this is just a quick little demonstration video. It's not going to be anything that's super in-depth. I'm just going to kind of walk you through my process, and I'm going to be using a lintless microfiber towel. I highly recommend you either use one of those or you use a waffle weave towel, as those don't leave lint behind, and you want something that's not going to leave those fuzzies behind. So we're going to be using that. We're going to be using Invisible Glass as my go-to cleaner. So I'll be spraying down with the Invisible Glass and going over it with the microfiber towel. Of course, the lintless towel, so I find works best. I'm going to be making sure that I follow the edges of the window and kind of working my way inside the window. Now, some people will tell you that it's best to go one direction, either left or right, or up and down on the inside of the glass, and then go the opposite direction on the outside, so that if there are streaks, you'll know by the direction of the streaks whether it's on the inside or the outside, which is not a bad idea, but I personally haven't had issues with streaks with the way that I clean glass. So I kind of just make sure I clean the glass the best I can all the way around. I follow the edges of the window with the microfiber and the product. Sometimes it's best to spray the product directly on the window. Sometimes you can get away with just dampening that microfiber. And what I'll do, if it's a whole vehicle, I'll actually carry a dry microfiber as well. So I'll go back over it after I clean it to kind of get off any remnants that it may leave behind. I find that gives me pretty perfect results, just kind of going over it one more time with a dry microfiber. For the sake of this video, I'm just using a single microfiber. You can see there as it gets dirty, I'm going to go ahead and fold it to a clean part of the microfiber towel. You want to make sure you always have a clean part of it to work with. And then, being that I'm just doing the one window for the sake of the video, I didn't carry a dry one with me. Typically I would, and I would go back over, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to find a little dry section of the microfiber towel, the same towel, and I'm going to just go over and do a quick wipe down after I actually finish working with the product. So I tend to find that, the more patient you are, the more thorough you are, better results you're going to get. Glass cleaning a lot of the times is, mostly in the technique as opposed to the product. There's a million glass cleaners that'll clean the same, but if your technique isn't good cleaning the glass, it's not going to matter what products you use. So you have to make sure you practice good technique and find a method that works for you. Again, this is what works best for me. You can see it got that glass crystal clear. Alright, well there you have it. That's the method that I use to clean all the glass in the vehicles that I detail. I find that to be the most efficient, most effective way to do it. Let me know in the comments if you have other methods or other products that you use. Always open to hearing suggestions and kind of learning as I go. So let's have a little discussion in the comments. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're feeling generous to support the channel and keep up to date with all the future content. Check out my social media. I'll link all that in the description. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one.